This horrifying incident reveals the depths of human cruelty. A doorbell camera recorded an ex-partner's disturbing actions, seeking revenge on his former girlfriend.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
how are you?
All right.
What's going on?
Nothing, because I was in the neighborhood, so I got by, so I...
I just got out of the hospital. I almost died.
As she opens the door, he feigns civility while suspiciously attempting to hide from the camera. Hey, what's up? How's it going, neighbor?
I know. You gonna light me on fire because you just blew alcohol all over me?
Okay.
Now it's not over because now I'm calling the cops.
Moments later, she unwittingly invites him inside. I just got out of the hospital, almost died. The video jumps, then their voices return. The woman recounts being attacked with a bottle and doused in alcohol.
Get out of my house. Get out of my house. I know. You gonna light me on fire because you just blew alcohol all over me?
Okay.
Now it's not over because now I'm calling the cops.
I know you're going to light me on fire because you just poured alcohol all over me. He chillingly confesses his intent to set her ablaze, though thankfully doesn't follow through. This event serves as a terrifying reminder of the evil lurking within those we once trusted. This chilling video was captured in Henderson, Nevada. It's truly horrifying. If anyone recognizes this couple, please contact Henderson Police Department immediately. We hope she's found safe. In this unsettling nighttime footage from a home security camera, we witness a disturbing encounter. A woman, driven by unclear motives, repeatedly knocks on the door, seeking the homeowner's attention. The homeowner wisely chooses not to answer. Adding to the eerie atmosphere is a man lurking ominously behind the woman, closely following her every move. This raises alarming questions about their true intentions. Could this have been a prelude to a home invasion or robbery? Fortunately, the homeowner's caution and decision to avoid engagement proved crucial. The reliable surveillance system captured every detail, providing vital evidence if needed. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance and utilizing multiple layers of security to protect ourselves and our homes. In this intriguing video captured by a Ring doorbell, we observe a perplexing situation. A distressed man appears, urgently knocking on a house door in the dead of night, insisting on making a phone call. The timing and intensity of his actions leave us questioning his true motives. Is he genuinely seeking help, or could there be underlying intentions at play? Sir, I need you to... Can you please answer? I really need you to... Please, I'm stuck. I just need to know.
Sir, I need you to, can you please answer? I really need you to call someone, please. Like, I'm stuck and my phone's about to die. Like, I just need to know, like.
In this unsettling footage, a homeowner's worst fears materialize as a man lurks outside their door in the middle of the night, asking invasive and eerie questions. The conversation escalates in intensity, leaving a lingering sense of unease about the stranger's true intentions and capabilities.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what, are you looking for Steven?
No, I am Steve. I'm looking for Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Oh. Okay.
Have a good night.
Understood.
Eventually, the man departs, but it's evident that he's left the woman with lasting trauma that won't be easily forgotten. Securing your doors is one of the simplest ways to protect yourself. But what happens when danger infiltrates despite your efforts? In this chilling video, a man approaches an unsuspecting homeowner's door late at night.
This is, my name is James. Sosa. Sammy.
What's your name?
James.
Who are you looking for?
Friend of mine.
No friend of yours lives here, buddy. And I got a Glock over here ready for you. So if you don't get the fuck off my porch, I'm gonna unload it on your face. Get the fuck off my porch.
His intentions remain unclear, but it seems the homeowner's presence frightened him off. This strange incident unfolds in Kentucky, featuring a man claiming he wanted to check if someone lived in the house for a job. He mentioned having nothing on him and received a generic response from the doorbell system stating it might take a moment for someone to answer.
I'm just trying to see if somebody lives here. Yeah, I know. So I can go get this job. I don't got nothing on me.
Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Well, just give them a report. They live or tell them that they live or they're looking for them. Yeah, I need some love.
I'm just trying to see if somebody else is here, yeah? I know, so I can do this job. Got nothing on me. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer. He left an odd message and walked away. We don't see the homeowner's reaction, but I'm sure they were unnerved. Regardless of the man's intentions, it's a stark reminder never to open the door for strangers.